to the Edmonton Flying Club, where aviation excellence takes flight. Today, we are excited to introduce our in-house maintenance shop, offering a level of service that sets the bar high in the industry. At the Edmonton Flying Club, we believe that every aircraft, whether it's an EFC plane or a privately owned aircraft, deserves the utmost care and attention. Our team of highly trained, licensed technicians is committed to delivering top-notch service. We specialize in servicing Cessna, Piper, and Cirrus aircraft, just to name a few, so you can trust that your aircraft is in the hands of professionals. Equipped with cutting-edge tools and equipment, our shop is prepared to handle a wide range of maintenance tasks. From routine and annual inspections to more complex projects, such as repairs and modifications, we have the capabilities to keep your aircraft operating at its best. We understand that every aircraft is unique, and we tailor our maintenance plans to meet your specific needs. To schedule an appointment or learn more about our maintenance services, visit the Edmonton Flying Club's website today. Fly with confidence. Fly with the Edmonton Flying Club.